I'm on walkabout on the north end of the campground. Got a Bob White over here. Hi. Nice little pavilion over here. Birds are very vocal. You got a lot of campsites. Goes down and around. I don't think I'm going to go that far today because it's spitting on me. They keep this place really nice. As you can see, there's not too many people here. But that's all right. We like it that way. Got a little rain earlier. I think this is another bathroom and shower house here. I think we'll do an about face here. They had boats waiting out here earlier. Guess they got a couple big old gators in there too. I took a picture of one yesterday. And the lady that was camped there by us said that that wasn't the big one. They've got a massive one in here. Yeah, right up here where this concrete thing is. That's where you can, there's a gate there you can walk across over by those little cream colored buildings, that's where the boats go through, is over there. Not on this side. They got the big orange buoys to keep you out of there. You have to go around where those pillars are, go in between the pillars. But that's where you go across right there, where the orange cone is. You walk across that. Hey, look who it is. Hi, Mr. Kelly. What you doing? Not much. What up with you?
I'm going to lock through.
Okay.
Danger, no swimming. Lending library is open.
Oh, look here. Touch screen to start. What's that?
Across. I don't know. Till you get across. Open at 7, close at 4.
Phew. Just had a bug go in my mouth. Pretty cool. One down, 2,499 more recreation areas to go. There are 2,500 Corps of Engineer managed recreation areas across the United States. Well, that's good to know.
I'm going to see if there's anything we need to read.
We've gone to a lot of the Army Corps of Engineers.
And
What?
bunch in there.
Books?
Yep.
There you go. Take one, leave one.
Okay. Tell us where that goes.
Out there.
Okay. Tell us where that goes.
It goes around the corner out there.
Okay. I was wondering about that.
All right, now we know.
Have you seen any martins in the martin houses?
No, but I heard of Bob White.
Yeah, we've seen a few of them.
It was yakking.
There's a campsite, look, all by itself.
I know, there's some pretty nice ones up here.
That one, you wouldn't get no satellite, but who cares? You get good over-the-air signal here anyway. Fort Myers.
Looks like we're gonna get more rain.
Okay, we're going across the bridge. Where'd you start your video at?
Right over there.
Before you walked across the bridge?
I didn't walk across the bridge. I come up the road.
Yeah, that's a bridge.
No, there.
That's a bridge.
Well, it's not a bridge like that bridge. Do you want that moss in your pillowcase?
Okay.
That over there.
Okay.
Spanish moss. This is a nice pavilion, ain't it?
Kind of hanging off that tree.
That's what I said, like right
No,
there.
not that tree, this tree.
Okay.
Look at the little squirrel guy.
Hey, dude. What are you doing?
There he goes. I think he
There are
likes
little
this
bitty squirrels around here, you know it?
one. Yeah. There's a bird on the fence. Straight in front of you on the bridge. Bridge.
You
Left. Bird.
Cool.
Watch out for him.
Hey, Mr.
He
Bird.
got very pointy beaks. There you go.
That's the one we saw eating.
Yeah. You gotta pick far away from no video though. You going down there?
No.
Okay. You any people?
Yeah.
Okay.
These are all mussel shells. I don't know if you can see them on these rocks where the birds take them, crack them open and eat them. And I can see them, but I don't know if they can on camera or not. What is that thing called that we saw?
Okay, here we cutting across.
Yeah.
Behind the illegal.
Otter. He was an otter.
Look, somebody lost their flag.
Oh, yep. That ain't good. You're not supposed to let the American flag hit the ground. Okay.
What's that calling off in the distance?
A bird. What kind of bird you say? I'm not sure.
You think
That's
we're far
a
enough
dove.
off the road?
Oh yeah. We only got to be here. And we're clear up there, so we're good. Okay, home sweet home. Goodbye.
Ooh,